Hello guys, what's up? How is everything going? I hope all of you are doing good. So let's just get straight into the business we have today. Well, this week I've been on a total losing streak. Right from last week Friday till today Friday. I've been losing every single trade and it's making me go crazy. It's making me go crazy. Just this trade was on Thursday, okay. Well, my last trade was on Monday. On Monday, I did not see any setup on Wednesday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so I did not take any entry. So that's it. Let me check the trade I took on Monday. On Monday. This was on Tuesday. I did not take any trade on Tuesday. So actually, this was on Monday. Yeah, when I took this loss. Yeah, initially my stop loss was here, but after some time I moved it here. After getting this, a little bit of pullback here, then I moved it here. So that was a loss. So let me just go straight back to the business we have today. On Tuesday, no setup. I did not take any entry. On Wednesday, no entry. So yeah. So today, on Thursday, I got an entry. Yeah, around this area, no sweep around this area. So it swept this area around here. Yeah. So there was a breakdown. I was waiting for a pullback. I judged this. So it gave me that pullback around here. No, around here. Yeah. So that's engulfing candlestick then happened here. Yeah. So the time I entered was 11 o'clock on the dot. Well, yeah, 11 o'clock on the dot. Yeah. At first I was looking at this place as my pullback, but no, I said no, let me wait till it break this, this little bit of demand zone around there. So it broke it, made that change of character around here. So I entered off here. It just went back to my stop loss ASAP. This was on Thursday. So let me show you. That same Thursday I took a trade on USD card. I've never traded that pair before. I just traded it on Thursday for me to see the reaction, because looking at some previous setup, this is the setup I want to see that I saw in this USD card. So there was actually a break. So I actually lost it once. I lost it immediately after placing that sale. I lost it. Let me quickly add that section indicator so you guys going to see it. So around here it swept Asia high, so it gave me that little change of structure around here, pulled back, engulfing candle. I entered off that engulfing candle, stop loss right above them, just flipped back and took me out immediately. Not like Euro USD that plays around, but I said I won't trade this again. But looking at this today now, I saw this setup again today, but I said no, I will not take it. I won't place that entry. Take a look at this sweep of Asia, Asia range around here. A little bit of change of character. It pulled up, then pulled back. It pulled back a little. It gave me that engulfing entry. Well, if I was about to trade it, I'll do it like this. But I said no, I will not trade it. If I'm about to trade it, I'm going to be like this. Stop loss right here. Aiming for that 1 to 3. Aiming for 1 to 3. Around here. And well, it would have done something like this, and maybe I would have been taken out. But let's say no, Uh, well, once it breaks this structure around here, I might even close it without even getting anything. But I'm not sure I'm going to be close to this guy again. So I learned the lesson from this pair yesterday that I should never ever trade another pair, and I will never ever trade this pair again, because that is against my rule. I only stick to 3 pairs, so I'm quickly going to delete it from my watch list. So it's gone. So on Euro USD, let's just today on Euro USD, yesterday I took 2 loss and I was unable to make a video because I was really traumatized, and I went out yesterday and I came back late and I was very tired. So after gathering some courage, I made a video today, being Friday. I took this trade this morning, this morning, and it stopped me out. Asia range break done, a little bit of change of character, broke these lows, pulled back. I'm waiting for that engulfing candlestick. So looking at this around here now, looking at all this that happened here, looking at everything that happened here, so this candle engulfed right down this particular candle, but it failed to close below this one, so I was waiting for another confirmation. So I already placed my entry here. So now while looking at this trade now, I'm seeing my mistake and everything. I would have waited for another engulfing candlestick to like close below this week's, like to close below it like this. Let's say something like this. This other one that closed inverse, I would have waited to close it like this. Let the candle close like this, just like that. Then I would place the entry. But I just entered off because I was looking at the charts very, very, very closely. So once it's closed, I'll take the entry. So I took the entry when the thing was still open. It hasn't closed yet. So when I placed the entry, I was just like puzzling my head. I don't really understand, but I say it's okay. I took a little bit of loss in this one, an $8 loss. 8 point something dollars. 8 point something. Yeah. But I was willing to risk that though. But it pains a lot. But it gave me a little bit of whatever around here. I'm just saying this, and I would have closed it once it flipped bullish, and I wouldn't have taken a full loss. On this. But nevertheless, I took a full loss. Another bad day today. And on gold, I took a trade on gold, man. Just look at it. So this is gold, and I took a trade on gold, man. Stopped me out in big loss. Sweep done, waiting for whatever, a little bit change of colors and it took out this low. So I was waiting for that engulfing candlestick around there. It gave me that confirmation here. Well, I was looking for another confirmation because it's just the open of the section. I can't just place that trade there. I waited a little. So after he gave me this little bit change of character right here, yeah, put back again, full candle downwards, another full inverse hammer. So I said, okay, fine, then I'm going to take this trade. I took the trade, gave me a little bit of profit, and flipped back up. No play, it flipped back up immediately. Yeah. This is the worst trade I've been taking like worst setup, and no, it's actually my setup. Yes, it's my setup, but the market haven't been going on my favor yet. I don't know why. So the news just came out. Well, I was expecting to sell this, but I said I'm going to stay disciplined. I'm not going to sell this, and this is a funded account to avoid it getting breached. Yeah, so I did not take this sell. Yeah, maybe next time when I want to gamble, because news is all about gambling. There's nothing there. And whenever I want to take a trade, when there's news, I'll fund my small account and trade it. Yeah. So this is how my Notion is looking. This is my Notion right here. Yeah, this is my Notion. I've been documenting everything here. Loss, win, loss. How many loss in a row now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 loss, guys. 6 loss, and it's getting me angry. 6 loss. Yeah, I'm getting angry, but I'll remain patient. I'm thinking of changing this strategy, but no. This is the hard time, and I believe one day it's going to play out. It's going to play out really massively, because I've tested this strategy a lot. So now is the time to make sure I place in every trade. Well, by now I would have lost my account if I'm risking 2% value or 1%. Yeah. But same way it goes around, I would have passed it by now. Let's say just this trade, and this trade. Just these 3 full wins. I can pass this account. Actually, now I'm in drawdown. Yeah, I'm in drawdown, man. Wait. It's not up to 1% drawdown. Yeah, it's not up to 1%, but in all this losing trade, I've lost about let's say from the last time I got a win. I've lost about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trade. Yeah. So from this 6 trade, I've lost $44.74. $44.74. Almost 1% to be down. So my remaining permitted loss is about 355.26. So that is what's remaining for me to lose the account, while I'm aiming to pass phase 1, just phase 1 with $400. With 400, once I get to 400, I'll be able to go to phase 2 of the account. Yeah, that is just it in the account. That's just it, guys. I'm really messed up and fucked up right now. This week has been a very bad week for me. It has been a very bad week for me, and guys, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. Yeah. Actually, this is funded next, okay? I'm using funded next. I'm trading funded next. So phase 1, I should make about 8% of that account, and that 8% is that $400. So my phase 2, I should be making 4%. 4% is about $200. So phase 2 is more easier, like $200. Phase one is about $400. That is 8% and 4%. Yeah, that's just it. Yeah, no other thing to know. So that is that, guys. Well, God has been playing around lately. After the news, it has been playing around. Well, so guys, tell me what you think. Should I keep trading this strategy, or should I change it? But according to my mind, I'm thinking of making some improvement. I need to go and research about the market structure. I need to know more about what's happening. Maybe let's say we are in a downtrending market. Yeah. And buying from anywhere is just some other things. Yeah. According to what some guys said, yeah, they saying I should, know the market structure, where the market is heading. Not when it's heading up and I'm buying it down in lower time frame. Well, all that is bullshit, man. But I still stick to my A+ setup. Once I see that setup, and I'm taking it. No play. I'm taking that setup once I see them. But I need to add some other confirmation to it. Yeah, I need to add some other confirmation. So guys, please stay tuned. I really appreciate your comments and the rest. Okay? Yeah. Okay guys. See you next time. Bye.